Hey everyone, let's talk about something we all struggle with sometimes saying no. It can feel really uncomfortable, leaving us feeling guilty or worried about disappointing others. But trust me, setting healthy boundaries is crucial, and it doesn't have to be a guilt trip. First, there's the gentle no, perfect for situations where you value the relationship but cannot commit. Something like, "Thank you so much for thinking of me, but I'm already swamped this week. Maybe another time?" See? Polite, clear, and leaves the door open for future possibilities. Then we have the direct no. Great for when you need to be firm and clear, especially if repeated requests are wearing you down. A simple, "I appreciate the offer, but I won't be able to do that," is perfectly acceptable. No need for lengthy explanations, just a confident no. Finally, there's the alternative no, a fantastic way to offer a solution and still decline the original request. For example, instead of saying no to a project, you could say, "I cannot take that on right now, but I know Sarah would be perfect for it. Would you like me to connect you two?" So remember, saying no doesn't mean you are a bad person. It means you are prioritizing your well-being and setting healthy boundaries. Try these techniques and watch how much lighter and more in control you feel.